GOP fundraiser Noelle Nikpour says that this tough talk from President Trump is a winning issue among voters. Noelle Nikpour joins us now.
Hey, how are you?
Good, Noelle. I tend to agree with you. Now, I know that there's a lot of polls, though, out there that say, well, it's a 38%, 40%, that a low percentage of people are happy about the so-called trade war. And yet, the feeling I get from those people who told me that they're going to vote for President Trump during the campaign, when I put the question out on social media, knowing that prices could go up, if we enter into some sort of a tariff trade war, are you still going to vote for President Trump? Resoundingly, 99% said yes. I've put that question out there since then, and the answer continues to be yes.
Well, and you're right. And I'll tell you something else. Do you remember when he was running, how many times he said China, China, China? I mean, he stressed that one of the things he was going to do if elected was hold China accountable. And this is what he's doing. He's fulfilling a campaign promise. And if you'll look at it, he kind of forewarned what was going to happen. He actually said that we were going to have a couple of down days in the market until the market got used to it or figured it out. So he actually warned Americans, look, we're going to be on a little shaky ground for a little bit, and then it'll be okay. And so did Wilbur Ross, and so is Larry Kudlow. So a lot of the people that we look up to in the economy, that are experts on the economy, they've actually said that this is going to be happening a little bit until we can figure it out. And if you ask a lot of people, big business leaders, especially in technology, they'll tell you that, one of the main problems was the theft of intellectual property. So I think what he's doing by holding China accountable, especially China accountable, I think a lot of Americans are on his side or on, the side of Trump. So I think that midterms, I think we're going to be safe. Well,
yesterday President Trump put out a tweet and explaining that soybean prices had gone down before he was inaugurated. In fact, from the 2012 peak, which was around $1,700 per metric ton, to around $800 a metric ton during the inauguration, that you never heard from the mainstream media. That it was never a front page article in the Washington Post. There was never this plea for these farmers, right? This sort of, oh, now we all feel sorry for the farmers. But do you think the president needs to do more of that? Do you think he also needs to articulate to them? Because Peter Navarro told me on Friday that they were going to do something special for farmers if this were to continue this way.
I think that we can trust that Peter Navarro's right. I think that they will do something special for farmers. Look, we're not going to let the American farmer fail, and that's the bottom line. So I think that they're going to figure it out. And as far as the mainstream media, as far as the left, I think that they're going to focus in on anything. Look, they're looking at the Trump administration. They're looking at Republicans as a whole under a microscope, and they're looking for any kind of mess up, why we figure these policies out, why we figure what works and what doesn't work. They are standing by as a critic. They're not going to give you a hand up. They're not going to do anything. They're going to focus on anything negative, anything that has a potential problem. Just look at what they're doing with the trade war. I mean, they're calling the sky is falling. And look, we've had a couple of hints towards a trade war, and you haven't seen it really reflect too badly in the market. So, we'll just call the mainstream media a lot of naysayers.
Noelle Nikpour, thank you very much. Always great seeing you.
Thank you.